I do have a quick demo. Share my entire screen. Cool. So hang on. There we go. Got my sandbox instance here. I have one topic, order items for my e-commerce data. I can now go over to a lot of different other tools and query my Omni topics from them. So this is an example. This is a Google Colab Python notebook. So just kind of like any other Python notebook. You can see I'm pointing it to my Omni instance. I'm giving it an API key, which you cannot see. I'm also giving it a model ID. And then I go create a connection. And I'll run this. Cool, connections created. And now I can actually just pass it OmniSQL, and it will give me back a result set. Cool things about this, it's using this like arrow protocol, so it's super performant and efficient. And yeah, you can see, so yeah, I mean, I had I had an AI kind of write up a little like routine here to grab the data, build a chart, and also show a table. So there you go. And you know, the kind of obvious cool thing here is I can go and actually, let's see, I'll create a new query here in Omni. I'll just keep it simple, but it could be any Omni query, I believe. Steven, correct me if I'm wrong there. I can go into the SQL, I can copy it out, I can paste it here into this little, you know, just the little run function, and I can run it. And this is just showing me the table of the results. So you can now use Omni as your semantic layer from Python.